my channel, Kicks with Fresh. Now, if you're new here, I go by K Fresh, and by the title of this video, you already know that your girl is about to hit you with some fresh fits. Now, if you haven't looked at my video that I just dropped on the Air Jordan 13 Flint Gray, please make sure to do that before you look at this video. That way you kind of get a better idea of, what the shoe is looking like if you haven't seen it already, and then you can kind of get a better idea of what my style is going to look like. Now, before we get into the logistics of this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I am on my way to 1,000 subscribers. I've already hit that 500 mark, and I believe I have like 525, 528 subscribers. So I am steadily climbing in this ShoeTube game, and I want to make sure that everybody, is feeling the content and really just supporting your girl, because I really do appreciate it. Now, before I get into the outfit changes, I do want to make sure that I show you the Air Jordan 13 Flints. I'm sure you've already seen these shoes. This was one of the most anticipated drops of 2020, but I wanted to show you my pair. So it is a personal pair. It's an 8.5 men's, 10 women. Here they are right here. You got the shoes, turn it around so y'all can see the bottoms and all of that. So I'm very excited to show you some of the outfits that I have for you all today. Now, one thing that I am going to do is I'm going to kind of mix it up with some summer looks as well as some fall kind of spring looks, or even like winter looks. I don't know, but for me, the shoe I do want to be able to wear in the summertime, but I like jackets. So a lot of times, jackets are just not conducive to the summer heat, especially in the Midwest. So I'll try to make sure to show you all some different looks depending on the weather. Okay, now the first outfit I want to show you, first and foremost, ladies love sneakers too. Women are the culture in the sneaker community. So I do want to incorporate this shirt in my first outfit, which I think is really dope. So right now what I basically have is some distressed white jeans, and I also have this really cool khaki jacket. I actually made this jacket. I did get it from the Gap. This is a size 2XL. But just wanted to show you really quickly some of the things that are on there. So basically this says, we have nothing to lose but our chains. That is Asada Shakur. Wake, pray, and slay. Don't touch my crown, which obviously is very important. You go girl, which is kind of that Gina Martin type vibes. Must stay woke. And then who you calling a B-I-T-C-H, which is by, the Queen Latifah. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm showing you on the side basically what this outfit looks like. But, this is one of those things where if you get hot, this is something that I feel like I could wear in a colder kind of setting or weather. But if you get hot, you can take the jacket off and just wear the Ladies Love Sneakers 2 shirt as well as the white jeans. Now, for those who haven't been following me on my Instagram, which is Kicks for Fresh, or have seen any of my other videos, such as my Air Max 90 Hyper Royals, you probably don't know that I am affiliated with the African American sorority, or traditionally Black or Black Greek lettered organization, whatever you want to call it, Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, which I joined my organization at the University of Kansas in spring 2008. So this next outfit is, when I want to go to, a yard show, which is, you can Google what a yard show is, or, a Black Greek picnic, or really just wanted to hang out with my sorority sisters. This is the outfit that I might put on, right, with my Flint. So you basically have a standard, white tee, kind of more feminine with the V-neck as well as the pocket, and then you have some black distressed, all right, y'all. You have some black distressed jeans. I believe I got these from Forever 21, yeah. And then the highlight of this piece is obviously my jacket, which is called a line jacket for people who are not familiar with Black Greek life. So this is just an outfit that honestly I would wear all day, every day, with my Flints, there's obviously other shoes, like I mentioned, the Air Max 90 that I can also, wear with this fit. But this is something that is unique to me and unique to my style as it relates to, my identities and the things that I've done, in my college life and things like that. So I wanted to show you an outfit that best represents me and some of the experiences that I've had. Now, the next outfit that I want to show off, I've already basically given a lot of people on my Instagram a tiny sneak peek of this outfit. Now, like I said, if you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out. I post a lot of what I call the fresh fit or fit of the day, whatever you want to call it. So I do always, look to see how I can rock my sneakers and not just putting on jeans and a white tee or jeans and a, Nike graphic tee, things like that, which I do. Don't get me wrong, but they wouldn't call me K-Fresh for no reason. So this next outfit is something, like I said, I've already debuted on my Instagram, so sorry if you've already seen that. But the biggest piece that I wanted to show off is my Kansas jersey. So I am from Kansas, state of Kansas. I live in Missouri right now, so I'm still a Midwest girl. But basically, this jersey means a lot to me. First of all, we were affiliated with Nike back when I went to school. I do have 2 degrees at the University of Kansas. The jersey actually used to be signed, but I've worn it so many times that it just doesn't, you can't even see it anymore. But basically, this is a signature or autograph of Wayne Simeon, who did go on to play for the Miami Heat the year that they won that championship. So shout out to him. We're actually from the same hometown and my grandmother was really great friends with them. So at the time, he gave me this jersey when he was playing, starting 5 on the team. So I love this jersey. And then basically, I have a jacket that I got from Fashion Nova. This is just a distressed jean jacket. Like I said, I'm gonna show you what this looks like on, but you can get this for a good price. And then also I have 2 items here, but basically I do have some khaki joggers. So that is fit number 3. Again, this is more, showing my personality in terms of experiences that I've had. And the last item that I really wanted to show off really quickly, it still incorporates the Kansas Jayhawks jersey, but I do want to show off the shorts. This is an outfit that, if it is blazing hot, like it probably is right now, all over the world, probably, you can wear this and you're not sweating, but you still, obviously can rock your Flint. So I just basically have some distressed shorts. They actually used to be pants and I cut them, so I do need to do some distressing down at the bottom. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and throw them on and show you what it looks like, especially with the jersey. All right, so now we've come to the end of the video. I love, love, love showing you all how I style my sneakers. Please know that there are more how-to styles coming up. I have a lot of other shoes on the way. Some hype, some reach backs, things of that nature, but I want to show you all my style because ladies love sneakers too, and it's not always just about throwing on, some skinny jeans or some sweats and a t-shirt. I do that sometimes, but I want to show you all just what you can do with the sneakers. If you like this video and want to see more from your girl, K-Fresh, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment below. Which outfit is your favorite outfit? Outfit 1, 2, 3, or 4? Is this something that you would rock? Do you have any other suggestions? If you know of a shirt or a website or some pants or some biker shorts that you think would look awesome with these Jordan 13 Flints, please let me know in the comment section. Please make sure to add me on Instagram. I am at about 700 followers on Instagram, which is kind of the same as where I'm heading with YouTube. So I appreciate all of the support. And until next time, stay fresh.